Have you ever wondered how glass bottles are made? From water and soft drink bottles to perfume and medicine containers, glass bottles are used everywhere in our daily life. In today's video, we will take you inside a glass bottle manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw materials to finished, packed glass bottles. So stay with us till the end to see how molten glass turns into strong, shiny bottles. The glass bottle manufacturing process starts with raw materials. The main ingredients used to make glass are silica sand, soda ash, limestone, recycled glass, also called cullet. These materials are carefully measured and mixed in the correct ratio. Using recycled glass helps reduce energy consumption and makes the process more eco-friendly. Once mixed, the raw materials are ready for melting. The mixed raw materials are fed into a high-temperature furnace. Inside the furnace, the temperature reaches around 1500 degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, the materials melt and turn into molten glass. This glowing, liquid glass is continuously refined to remove air bubbles and impurities, ensuring strength and clarity in the final bottles. Now comes the most fascinating part, bottle forming. The molten glass is cut into small portions called gobs. Each gob is dropped into a mold where it is shaped using air pressure and mechanical forming machines. There are two main stages. First, a preliminary shape is formed. Then, the final bottle shape is created in the finishing mold. In just a few seconds, the liquid glass takes the shape of a perfect bottle. After forming, the bottles are still very hot and fragile. They are sent through a long heating tunnel called an annealing layer. Here, bottles are slowly cooled in a controlled way. This process removes internal stress and makes the bottles strong and durable, preventing cracks or breakage later. Quality control is extremely important in glass bottle manufacturing. Each bottle passes through automatic inspection machines that check thickness, shape, cracks, air bubbles, surface defects. Some factories also use human inspectors to double-check quality. Any defective bottles are rejected and recycled back into the process. Many glass bottles receive extra treatments. Some bottles are printed with logos or measurement marks, coated for extra strength, colored for specific uses like medicine or beverages. These treatments improve appearance, safety, and durability. Finally, the finished bottles are counted and packed. They are placed into cartons, crates, pallets. The packed bottles are stored in warehouses, ready to be shipped to beverage, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic companies around the world. This is how glass bottles are made, a perfect blend of heat, precision, and technology. From raw sand to finished bottles, every step is carefully controlled to ensure quality and safety. If you enjoyed this factory process video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next factory tour.